I'm going to quickly show you 3 different ways to autofill dates on Excel. First, type in the starting date. Then hover over the bottom right corner of the cell. You should see this different plus icon. Once you see that icon, just simply hold left click and drag down. You should see that Excel automatically added in the dates one by one. Once you have the starting date, hover over the bottom right corner of the cell. This time, hold right click and drag down. Once you let go of right click, you should see this menu pop up. Here, you can choose to increment by days, only have weekdays, increment by months or years. I'm going to pick weekdays. As you can see, we skipped the 26th and 27th, which are Saturday and Sunday. You can pick the other options if you want to increment by months or years. You can also autofill using any date pattern you want. For example, if I wanted to include only every other day, I would first write the second date below, then select both values and drag them down from the bottom right corner of the cell. This should copy over that pattern to the other days. Here's another example, but this time it's every 5th day.